Hello, it's Brandon, and I'm back to show you how to add additional shipping options for your customers. First thing you're going to want to do is look at this improved area. We're going to be clicking shipping, carriers, and up here you're going to be able to add a new carrier. Let's just say USPS transit time will be next day shipping. And you could put the speed grade 1 to 9, 9 being the fastest, 1 being the slowest, and today we're going to be doing 9. Next. And you can add any ranges. Let's go with 100. Let's go with 1,000. And let's just say we're only shipping to North America. Minimum will be $50. Next. You could put the package. We're going to be going with default of 1,000. Oops. Alright. Next. We're going to make sure that it's enabled. Make sure it's yes. Finish. Alright, and if you go shipping carriers, you could see that it's available right there. Alright, have a good one, guys.